What is up, guys? DJ Darkflow here with
me, Mikey,
and Joe. So far we've gotten all of that scraped off of it, and we're still working on getting more of that scraped. And this is propped up.
I'm not surprised that he's making me scrape.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh god. It's hot.
No, right.
So far we got that almost all the way scraped. We're finishing up on sanding that. And hopefully sometime today the engine goes on. But first what we're going to need to do is we need to finish getting the roll cage sanded so that we can get the gas tank bolted onto it, since this is a bigger gas tank than the one we had. So the bigger engine is going to need a bigger gas tank, obviously, than that thing and that tiny little gas tank. So yeah, and hopefully sometime today we're going to get that washed before we put the engine on it. I'm going to get some of the crap scraped off of the engine, and hopefully we might even be in painting today. Cross our fingers on that one. But nothing has gone wrong so far, knock on wood. Yeah. So, yeah. We've been working a little bit here and there on it, but so far, yes, we have a semi-decent go-kart.
Can't get some back.
Skittle. But anyways, so yeah, we will be working more on this, and hopefully by the end of the day today, we will have a go-kart with a completely sanded frame, or completely sanded roll cage, with an engine on it, and possibly painted. If anything, we'll just fit the engine to make sure that it all fits and everything. We might be taking the carburetor off of that, putting it on that. We don't know yet. Don't know if the smaller carburetor will support a bigger engine like that without a lot of tuning. Michael, just stop. So, yeah, hopefully we'll get pretty far on that. Woo!
That was close. Oh well. Oh, monkey! Don't get the camera. So we're washing it in dirt. I just realized that. Minor. Oh well. It looks really shiny. Spray it. Ah, jeez. Ah! Whoa, God. Almost ran into that. Wow, that was bright.
Yeah, you didn't protect it. We'll look directly into the sun. The frame doesn't need to be washed, or the roll cage doesn't need to be washed until we completely sand it. Technically, that should have been sanded too, but what fun is that? I mean, obviously, we're going to waste time and have to wash it twice. It's just us.
And it's also just... that one was weak.
Yeah. And this is also why we can't have nice things.
I think we're going to need to fix that.
What do you mean? I think we still got a couple of years on that thing. It's minor. These ones are still good. Okay, they might need some air, but other than that, we're fine. People are going to hate on me for like not using a sanding block or something. This is easier. It's just, you don't have to worry about going out, having to find a piece of wood to do it.
Doesn't really matter. Oh, I lost mine. I just put it in a steering wheel. If you guys are in a steering wheel.
And you're staring at absolutely nothing.
Pointing at you.
No, it wasn't. We will get working on sanding. Hopefully, we will have this whole frame sanded within, what do you say, 15 minutes, maybe half an hour max?
For them, yeah, it would be that long.
No, I mean for us, how long do you think it's going to take? I'd say 15, 20, maybe a half an hour at the most, because it's really just all tubing.
I'm just mostly getting the black spots that are on here.
Just going to stand here and watch you work for a little bit. Makes me all warm and fuzzy inside. Not like that! Update you guys later. It honestly looks like you sawed your arm off there. We got finished sanding and washed the roll cage as well, so woo! They're sitting out there to dry. Yeah. Woo! Steam Saturday! Look at that. That's disgusting.
I didn't catch much flames. That, okay.
Well, another part bites the dust. But guess what? That means we have more sanding to do.
Another one bites dust. Boom, boom, boom. Probably singing that one, but oh well.
I don't care. Oh, jeez. What have we gotten ourselves into, dude?
A garage?
I thought this would be like a little bit easier than this, but I was way wrong. But hey, what's Steam Saturday? It's doing everything the hard way, right?
Right?
Taking useless shit like this and making it.
Just like
Yeah.
So we may put this on to that?
Yep.
Yay!
As soon as we get this all sanded, hopefully get the new wheel put on it. Let me check to make sure that the wheel will even.
Could just sand it a bit.
Yeah, it definitely needs sanding. Okay. We will update you guys when that is done.
Yeah.
Woo! Got the underside of that sprayed with the rubber sealant. This is both of these are washed. The new steering wheel is on. The old one's over there. And yeah.
Falling asleep over here.
And Michael's falling asleep. We got the engine ready to be put on unless we put that new carb on it, or the old carb I should say on it. But yeah, so like and favorite if you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to become a Darkling today. Sorry if this one was a little bit shorter, but I really hope you guys enjoyed it.
We actually got a lot done, so our videos have been shrinking more and more because we're actually getting a lot more done.
Yeah.
Which is actually pretty surprising.
So, we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.